One TV special report.
Tonight is really a night full of surprises, no? Maybe some of you are wondering how come I'm the one hosting today or tonight. Everything was planned last minute. Everything happened so fast, but we still just enjoy this evening, no? And to keep us entertained, once again, another song number coming from Miss Adriana Thompson. She will be singing Meihua, a Chinese song, as well as a rendition of Can You Feel the Love Tonight. Let's give her a round of applause. Thank you very much, Miss Adriana. Sus, mura nabalik o na-flashback mako sa Valentine's Day. Ay, no? Kinsa may happy kaya sa Valentine's. No? Please, a show of hands now, eh? Kung kinsa'y happy atong Valentine's. Gamay raman. Mura raman naraman diri ang mga happy. Kinsa po'y sawi sa pag-ibig, parihan ako sa Valentine's. Wala, marag mas nagkag na sawi na mga heartbroken ba, no? Pero ana gyud na, sige lang, move on nata sa Valentine's, no? Tonight na nata sa Chinese New Year's Eve. And kailangan mag-happy-happy ta, no? Let's all be happy, no? Let's all enjoy each other's company, no? Let's enjoy our community, no? The Filipino-Chinese community, as well as atong mga locals, no? Mga Osamis-Nog. You know, no? Ganun si Miss Adriana, no? She's a mestiza Americana, no? American, half American siya, no? But do you know why mayo kay siya mo Chinese, no? Kanta pa din siya Chinese, no? Do you know what's the secret? Kasi gusto makibalo sa secret ni Miss Adriana. Ganun mayo kay siya mo Chinese. Gamay raman, no? But I'll tell you, no? Yung secret is because she studied in Muefi, no? In Chinese school, no? Sa Osamis, no? Ang atong Chinese school here in Osamis, no? Does not only accept mga Chinese nga kuan, estudyante, but any, no? Bisan unsa na race, no? Any race, bisan unsa na ethnicity, no? We accept them, no? As long as kanang ganahan sila magtuon ng Chinese, no? They're all welcome, no? In Chinese school, no? Misamis Union Educational Foundation Incorporated. Muna na atong new name sa atong school, and promote po tagamay sa atong school, no? Because alma mater man po nato, no? So without further ado, no, let's all welcome our Vice Mayor of Osamis City to give us a message for tonight's event. A round of applause, please.
Good evening to each and every one of us. Usa tutudlo ni Kilun ako. Usa ganito. Anyway, usa to publication. Bitaw, no? On behalf of our city mayor, Mayor Norman Fuentes, sa ako mga kauban, sa konseyo nga ni Agibi karon diri in full force. Palakpakan na to, Bi. On behalf of our Governor, Governor Henry Iswaminal, sa atong kongresista, Congressman Ando and Ingrid Waminal, ato silang palakpakan kang ilang sweetness with us tonight to celebrate this New Year's with the Chinese community. Salamat kayo with this great and wonderful event that had happening in Misamis, Osamis City. This is the first time, I think. Congratulations, Mr. Kerwin. Ang atong buutan o guwapo o patanon yun nga presidente sa Filipino-Chinese Chamber. Palakpakan na ito, Bi. For espousing this very important event, the New Year's Day sa Chinese. New Year's Eve sa Chinese. It has been the desire of our Honorable Mayor to be with us tonight, but of no avail. It is very important also that he has to attend to in Cagayan de Oro City. But anyhow, ni aming mga sakop sa sakuniang panglungsod to celebrate with you in this very special occasion. So, kami nanghinaon na this will not be the first time ni karon, and this will be forever, Kerwin, na i-celebrate nato in Osamis City. And this will be, hopefully, form part of one of our tourist attraction in Osamis City. Napaka na to, Bi. Why? Because ang atong Chinese community nag-store o nindot kaayo ng mga proyekto in Osamis City. Truly, the Chinese community is our partner in the development of Osamis City. Palakpakan na to. dako kay contribution ang Filipino-Chinese community in Usami City. Nahimong progresibo ang atong syudad because of their strong partnership with the Filipino-Chinese community. Palakpakan na to sila, Nini. Thank you so much for your effort sa tanan ninyong gibuhat dinhi sa syudad sa Usamis. I learned nga sa unang panahon, I was told by one of the Chinese here, atong mga elder na itong mga Chinese, siya nga, ginag ko niya, ako ila ko imo yung lulo, ila ko sa kululo ko, imo lulo si Mungko, mo ba? O, siya, dikusyante po to, pariha niya. So, sila mga unang naabot din niya sa Usami City. O ba? Susnidot kayo sa katanan paminawon ba nga recalling sa ato mga kaliwatan din sa syudad sa Usamis. O karon na himong progresibo ang syudad sa Usamis. In fact, according to the history, nagsugod ang merkado sa Usamis dinha sa Labo. Wala din dito sa Labo. But then, as the years go on, nahimo ang sentro ng merkado dinhi sa tuwa sa syudad sa Usamis. Palakpakan na to that development here in Usamis City. Because of this development, ang usapin sa mga kaning ibutang nato nga kasadigan naghimo ni is the Chinese community. Palakpakan nato ang Chinese community. Dako kaayo contribution as far as the economic growth of Usami City is concerned. And I hope that we will continue with your effort, continue with your untiring effort na magpadayon gyud ang inyong enthusiasm sa pagmugna og daghan pang mga kalihukan, more business in Usami City. Considering that Usami City is the center of trade. Niya kita di sa Usami City, kita mo'y dagpananan, kita sa Tabuk, Lanao del Norte, and sa Muaga del Norte, niya ang Usami is the center of trade. So therefore, we encourage our Chinese community to expand more of your business. Kiniya din sa sentro sa Usami City, kamo ang nagdala sa economic growth, the social growth of Usami City. Palakpakan na to once again. Again, in behalf of the local government unit of Usamis, we express our strong support for whatever activity na inyong himuon dinhi sa siyudad sa Usamis. We are all out support. That is the word of our Honorable Mayor Norman Fuentes nga express with me kami the whole sa Guniang Panlungsod. Of course, atong si Mayor nga naa ang among suporta din ha kaninyo sa itong mga Chinese community because you are our partner in progress and development of Usami City. Palakpakan na to. Si Carwin being a very young man. Batanon, guwapo, active, intelligente, na nag-lead kita sa ining maong kalihukan. And to the elder in the Chinese community, daghan kaayong salamat kaninyo. With your enthusiasm, your interest, kita nga magmugna tao mga kalihukan sa maniini. And I hope that this will not be the end. This will be the starting, and we look forward as the years go on. Thank you, and maayong gabi ka na lang.
Thank you very much, Vice Mayor, Bishop Bibili, for that wonderful message. Sakto, no? Revise, no? This will not be the first time or the last time, but this will be a yearly thing, no? A yearly event, no? That we will look forward to, no? Every year, no, and we will look forward to the Chinese New Year, no, and basin ba, baka naman no, basig mabudgetan po ni gamay, no, maybe dako na budget from the LGU para mo gainandi pag atong event, no, mas successful. Maybe dili na ako ang host ana, no, lahi na, no, so muna ato anang panikamutan ang kuan nato na next year, no, ito na kanang mas successful pagita, no, mas mulambo pagita, mas maasinso pagita tanang diri sa Osamis, no. So next kuan nato presenter is our kuan another dance number coming from Emilu Dance Troupe.